1st August 2024 আৰু আজি আমি these articles from the Assam Tribune, the Hindu and Indian Express will discuss for the GS paper prelims and mains. Our প্ৰথমটো topic হল software to rationalize the teachers. Now Assam government introduced a software which was called the 𝐓𝐶𝐸𝐻 software or 𝐓𝐶𝐸𝐻 app. Okay. Now the app is AI based. A means that in one of the papers they ask about the AI in governance, right? For those kind of questions we can use these examples. In the education department, Assam government is using the AI based 𝐓𝐶𝐸𝐻 software. Now the main topic for today, to rationalize teacher, the government has announced that the AI driven teacher rationalization model will be integrated into the 𝐓𝐶𝐸𝐻 system of the state. Okay. Now the 𝐓𝐶𝐸𝐻 system আমি আগতেও আমি ডিসকাস কৰিছো যে it is taking the different inputs, taking over different data আৰু data driven decision making government help কৰি আছে. The innovative software is scheduled to be operational and aims to enhance the allocation of the teachers across various schools, thereby tackling the issue of uneven student-teacher ratio within the different districts. Now, in a recent review committee meeting, the Government of Assam highlighted the importance of the module's ability to provide data-informed recommendations for the redistribution of the teachers. যিহেতু the decision will be based on data, okay, various information. So it definitely data driven আমাৰ ভাল আমাৰ কিছুমান work কৰা হ'ব, right? আৰু the data driven আমাৰ যিখিনি recommendations থাকিব, it will be presented to the district level committee which will assess and suggest the implementation of any necessary modification before submitting to the state level committee. Now যিখিনি ইয়াতে rationalization হ'ব বা transfer হ'ব, ইয়াতে আমাৰ কিছুমান গাইডলাইন আৰু আছে. The guidelines for this rationalization process will emphasize redeployment within the same cluster. Now why same cluster? Because transportation issue for the teacher or faculty, housing issue for that faculty, okay, and also যদি বহুত দূৰৰ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টত redeployment কৰা হয় তেনেহলে there might be some issues regarding disruptions, and so in order to minimize the disruption for both the educators and the students, the guidelines has spoken about the redeployment within the same cluster initially. Our mains are kind of important hoy GS5 topic and also GS2 social justice part. Our next topic to whole India Malaysia relation. 9 memorandum of understandings have been signed in India and Malaysia to elevate the relationships. In 2015, Government of India and Malaysia established a enhanced strategic partnership, and now in 2024 it is upgraded to the comprehensive strategic partnership. Okay. Now MOU1, recruitment, employment, reputation, etc., so that there can be streamlining of the process related to movement and management of workers within the two countries. লগতে in the health system, Ayurveda and traditional system of medicines, Government of India will establish a Ayurveda Chair at University of Tunku Abdul Rahman in Malaysia for promotion of the traditional medicine. লগতে India has agreed to support Malaysia's interest in joining the BRICS. ITGA এই বছৰ প্ৰিলিমছৰ কাৰণে important হয়. ASEAN India Trade and Goods Agreement. India Malaysia has agreed to support and expedite the review process of ITGA. Strategic rice export agreement, our soft power diplomacy, one-time export of 2 lakh metric tons of white rice, discussion on extradition and counter extremism, our logote cooperation in digital technology, again soft power diplomacy in various fields such as unified payment systems. Okay. Now for Assam and our kind of important hoy, Malaysia is a very important Southeast Asian nation which is of utmost importance in India's Act East policy. So our Northeastern karone hok, India's diplomacy karone hok, the relationship is very important. GS2 paper kind of important hoy, Our next topic to hold, Assam sees highest growth of phone subscribers. Now this year there is a question in the mains regarding digitalization of the economy in India. Okay, for such question we need data, so we can use these reports. In this article, Telecom Regulatory Authority of Indian Telecom Services Yearly Performance Indicator report, and as per the report, there is a huge increase in the number of subscribers. Aro India ভিতৰত অসমৰ highest increase হয় at 5.64%. Last year prelims প্ৰথম the NGO প্ৰথম তাৰে যিখন report আহে, based on that report educational ওপৰত question আহিছিলে prelims APSC prelims 2023. Now in similar aspects, this growth rate 5.64% is important for the prelims and for means our an answer enhancement কাৰণে আমি use কৰিব পাৰোঁ these data and reports. The next topic is regarding task force for medical professionals. The Supreme Court has constituted a national task force for the security, okay, of the healthcare workers. Now regarding the recent events at 𝐷𝐄𝐄 Medical College, there has been widespread protests aru demanding enhanced safety measures. Supreme Court took 𝐓𝐸 cognizance of the case, emphasizing the urgent need for national consensus on standard safety protocols. Now regarding legal provisions in India, the Article 246 or the 7th schedule or 7th schedule যিখন state list আছে, as per constitutional provisions, health and law and order are the state subjects. It is the primary responsibility of the state governments and the union territory administration to take notes of the such events. Now there is need for safe working environment. যেহেতু there is lack of CCTV, poorly lighted departments, long distance between the departments, etc. There is a need to improve regarding the security measures. Now examples from developed countries. In UK, the government enforces a zero tolerance policy on violence, supported by a dedicated security team and comprehensive reporting system. In US, some states classify assaults on healthcare workers as felonies, acting as a strong deterrent. Also in Australia, hospitals have introduced safety measures like security personnel, panic buttons, mandatory de-escalation training, etc. So we can keep a tab on the international practices and can integrate these practices in the Indian system also. Regarding the task force, these are the 9 members of the task force. Are for prelims, the ex-officio member will be important. Kun hoy? Cabinet Secretary to Government of India, Home Secretary, Secretary of Indian Health Ministry, Chairperson of the National Medical Commission and President of National Board of Examiners. Areas to be addressed are enhancing security, implementing baggage screening, restricting the number of non-patient visitors, managing crowd control effectively, providing restrooms and gender-neutral spaces for medical staffs, biometrics, facial recognition, CCTV, arrange transportation for the professionals, conducting workshops on crisis situations handling, performing quarterly audits, establishing police force within the hospital footfall, applying the POS Act 2013 to medical establishments, ensuring the constitution of internal complaints committee, also setting up emergency helpline. Responsibility of the NTF, it has a critical responsibility of devising the action plan to ensure safety and well-being of the medical professional and lokote, preventing gender-based violence and creating dignified working conditions. Our means of important hoy, interview important hoy. Now we can use this as example in the ethics and GST paper. A Muslim family donates 150-year-old Borpira to 𝐾𝐄𝐬 𝐃𝐢𝐬. The Muslim family from the Jorhat district this week donated nearly 150-year-old Borpira belonging to the family of the historic 𝐾𝐄𝐬. So we can use this for social harmony example. Okay. Next article is regarding Russel Viper treatment. Now in the recent times, as per various media reports, there is an increase in the number of sightings of Russel Viper in Assam. It is one of the big four snakes. In India, the other three are common krait, Indian cobra and saw-scaled vipers. Okay, the species is named after Patrick Russell, a Scottish herpetologist who first described many of India's snakes in 1790s. Habitat আমাৰ পাকিস্তান, ইণ্ডিয়া, শ্ৰীলংকা, বাংলাদেশ, নেপাল, ম্যানমাৰ, থাইলেণ্ড, কেম্বোডিয়া, টাইৱান, ইণ্ডোনেছিয়া এটচেট্ৰা IUCN status least concern. Okay, and used to key high Russel Hyper's bite successfully treated in 𝐶𝐽𝐬 Hospital. So it's a landmark achievement by the 𝐶𝐽𝐬 Civil Hospital led by Dr. 𝐉𝐨𝐢𝐧 successfully treated the patient bitten by Russel Hypers. Okay, so there is various issue regarding their increase in number of incidents. It's a very positive news. So next topic is regarding mining companies royalties. So Supreme Court rulings, I mean, it already July month discussed কৰিছিলোঁ. Let's revise this. A 9-judge bench of the Supreme Court has ruled the majority the states have competence to levy taxes on minerals and mineral-bearing lands in addition to royalty imposed by the center. Okay, the case named as the Mineral Area Development Authority versus Steel Authority of India has been pending for more than 3/4 and decided by 8:1 split. As per the judgment, royalty surge on mining activities is not a tax. Instead, it is a form of contextual payments made by miners to the central government for extraction of the miners. Okay, so royalty is not a tax as per the judgment. Important hoy. Okay, and logote the state legislature has legislated companies under Article 246 of the state list. So the judgment is that majority of the judges say that royalty is not a tax. Okay, because there is a conceptual difference between royalty and taxes. Okay, royalties are based on specific contracts or agreements. The taxes are meant for public purposes and welfare scheme, etc. Okay, our states has the power to tax the mineral development. Okay. Now there is a issue. The issue, as discussed in the articles, is that the retrospective taxes, মানে কি হয়, let's say 2005 পৰা যদি এইখিনি টেক্স লগোৱা আৰম্ভ কৰি দিয়ে, it will have a negative effect on the balance sheet of the companies. Okay, so Supreme Court rulings on taxes royalties will hit the mining companies. Okay, so our important হয় regarding যেহেতু আমাৰ we are a mine rich states, our petroleum আছে, natural gas আছে, coal আছে, etc. It's an important development for Assam. GS চাবৰ কাৰণে important হ'ব পাৰে, GS3 prelims and also for interview. The next topic is regarding the handloom sector and different schemes. So schemes such as National Handloom Development Program, National Handloom Mark Scheme, Yarn Supply Scheme, Comprehensive Handloom Cluster Development Scheme, Handloom Waivers Comprehensive Welfare Scheme. These are the various types of schemes. Now, why these are important? Because see, handloom is such a sector য'ত cluster, large scale production is important. So cluster ওপৰত আমাৰ বেছিকৈ ফ'কাছ কৰা হয়. Significance কি হয়? ইয়াতে বহুত হাই এমপ্লয়মেণ্ট জেনেৰেশ্যন হৈ থাকে, ড্ৰাইভাৰ অফ দ্য ইণ্ডিয়ান এক্সপৰ্ট, কালচাৰেল হেৰিটেজ প্ৰিজাৰ্ভেশ্যন, এনভাইৰমেণ্টেল ছাষ্টেইনেবিলিটি, এটচেট্ৰা. ষ্টেটিষ্টিক্স, চি টোটেল হেণ্ডলুম ৱৰ্কাৰ্ছ এপ্ৰক্স 35 lakhs. তাৰে ওমেন কিমান আছে? 25.46 lakhs. That means it is a sector where there are many female workers, so it will help in the women empowerment also. Okay, so also for the rural development. Why? Because majority of the handlooms are, there is 90% are in the rural areas. Also the main states are Assam, West Bengal, Manipur, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Economic contribution, export of as per fiscal 2022, 266.88 million export income. Okay, so handloom sector is important for GST, also for prelims, and logote the various schemes are important. The next topic is regarding the Zeus or Jupiter icy moon explorer mission. Jupiter probe to stage fast lunar Earth double flyby maneuver. The Zeus mission is to explore Jupiter and its 3 large moons, Callisto, Europa, and Ganymede. These moons are of particular interest because of the harbor conditions that could support life. Initiated by ESA or European Space Agency. Launch duration, it was launched in 2023, reached Jupiter and its moon by 2031. Significance, it is a first ever lunar Earth flyby combined with the first ever double gravity assist maneuver. Now what is the double gravity assist maneuver? Okay, আগতে আমি চাই লওঁ gravity assist technique কি হয়. Gravity assist is a method to change a spacecraft speed and direction by flying close to a planet or moon. It allows the spacecraft to use the gravitational pull to speed up, slow down, change or course using the least quantity of fuel. So যেটো আমাৰ সার্কুলার মোশন আমি হেকিনি হেতু ইউজ কৰি the gravity use কৰি assist কৰা হয়. significance কি হয় the gravity assist method is proven way to navigate the solar system efficiently. Okay, by taking advantage of moon's and earth's positions, the 𝐤𝐽 mission can reach Jupiter with a smaller rocket and less fuel, making the mission more feasible. Challenges: the double flyby is complex and risky. Now double flyby কি হয়? See, আগতে চাই লওঁ double gravity maneuver. Initially, the 𝐤𝐽 will use the moon's gravity to set the correct path towards Earth. Okay, then it will use Earth's gravity to slow down and take a shortcut towards Venus. Okay, this is the second assist maneuver. After this double flyby, 𝐤𝐽 will continue to its journey towards Jupiter with additional gravity assist from Venus in 2025 and Earth again in 2026 and 2029, which are crucial for steering 𝐤𝐽 without needing a large rocket. Okay, so using this gravity force, using the circular motion, okay, to less fuel but smaller rocket use kori it can reach Jupiter, which is important. So gravity assist maneuver and double gravity assist maneuver. In the gravity assist maneuver, spacecraft flies close to a single planet or moon. In double assist, the spacecraft performs gravity assist with two different celestial bodies. The gravity of that body pulls on the spacecraft, altering its speed and direction. This can speed up or slow down the spacecraft without using the additional fuel. The first gravity assist changes the spacecraft's trajectory here, preparing for its second assist, which further refines its path. Example: a spacecraft passing close to Jupiter to gain speed and head towards Saturn, or yet a spacecraft with gravity assist from Venus to gain speed, followed by another assist from Earth to adjust towards Mars. Okay, so 𝐤𝐽 mission is important. Logote gravity assist maneuver and double gravity assist maneuver both are important for prelims, mains, and also for interview. The next topic is regarding some certain factual news for prelims. First of all, 𝐷𝐸Z𝐸 means traveling typical residence. Now কি হয়, the residents near the FCI, Food Corporation of India. Okay, they are facing the means from 𝐷𝐸Z𝐸. Okay, যিটো when the food grains are not stored properly and fumigation যেতিয়া কৰা নহয় তেতিয়া ইয়াৰে মানে this paste তাৰ increase হ'ব পাৰে numbers and it can hamper the food storage. Next to all, Jorhat district education takes steps to prevent spread of 𝐷𝐸Z𝐸 paste. Again, to the Jorhat administration, they are trying to make awareness drives among the farmers across the district to prevent the spread of 𝐷𝐸Z𝐸 attack on the rice paddy crops. Okay, 𝐷𝐸Z𝐸 কি হয় প্ৰিলিমছৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হ'ব পাৰে. Now GI tag 𝐷𝐸Z𝐸 chili. Okay, Ukhrul village is all set to celebrate famed chili feast after 4 years. Okay, so GI tag 𝐷𝐸Z𝐸 কি হয় প্ৰিলিমছৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হ'ব পাৰে আৰু লগতে Assam Spying tries to break taboos in magic festival cast its spell. Okay, so magic festival will be starting in Mayong shortly. So ekhini asile 21st August 2024. We will again bring up the next edition, that is 22nd tomorrow. Thank you.